Riccardo, it's the second day of the Lugano Fund Forum. What are your impressions as the father and organizer of this forum?
Yes, thank you, Olga. Well, I have to say that as the promoter of this fourth edition of Lugano Fund Forum, we are very satisfied, not only because we demonstrate that even with these 4 years we have achieved a growth compared with the previous editions, but also because the path of this growth is still important because it is around 25% compared to last year's in terms of number of delegates, from 1,500 in 2013 to around 2,000 this year.
Who are the delegates?
Yes, well, delegates are only and exclusively professionals and or qualified investors. The event is not allowed to retail. The Lantern Research, the company that I founded a few years ago, is and the promoter of the Lugano Fund Forum, is a network of financial professionals, is a B2B community, and this event has been created in order to create synergies, matching among our members. So delegates are mainly represented by private bankers, family offices, wealth managers, financial consultants or advisors, and also a wide range of service providers to the asset management industry.
So what are you what other events are you going to have next year?
Well, we are in Lugano. Lugano is well known as to be a financial center, and that's why we have organized such Lugano Fund Forum. But nobody knows that Lugano is also a capital in the trading of commodities. That's why we are also promoter of a smaller event, but still growing at a very interesting path, such as Lugano Commodity Forum, that it will take place in June 2015, and it will be its 4th edition as well.